Hi everyone. So today we're going to be creating our own collage on our truck, and we're going to be cutting and gluing different shapes onto the truck. But before we can do that, we have to choose our truck. So I'm going to read you a book on different trucks. It's called Machines at Work Trucks, and it's written by Carrie Meester. Trucks at work. Here comes a truck. Trucks are powerful. Their big engines help them go. This is the engine of a truck. A pickup truck carries a cargo in its bed. The driver sits in the cab. So this would be the cab, and this would be where the driver would sit. A big rig carries food in its trailer. It brings food to the stores. So a lot of times we'll see this when we're in a car and we're watching other trucks pass by, and they'll have the name of the store that they're bringing food to. For example, a Stewart's big rig would say Stewart's on the side. Ding, 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 ding. An ice cream truck brings treats. It has a freezer inside. We see these a lot in the summer. A garbage truck collects trash. It is crushed in the hopper. And this is right here. This is where it would be crushed. A house is on fire. Oh no! A fire truck comes. The hose hooks to the hydrant. Now it can spray water. And that right there would be the hydrant. A car crash. A tow truck pulls it away. So here's our big truck, and it's towing away the car. An armored truck carries money. It is bulletproof. So this right here is a truck. As you can see, it would have a lot of money inside. A monster truck has big tires. People come to watch. What a great show. That's it. That's our book on trucks.